In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wix website HTML code. Now, before we start, it's important to understand one thing. Wix is a website builder that doesn't let you directly export your whole site as clean, ready-to-use HTML files like a traditional hand-coded website. However, you can still view and inspect the HTML that your Wix site generates in the browser. This is useful if you want to study the structure, copy small snippets, or learn how certain elements are built on the page. First, open your Wix website in a modern browser like Chrome or Edge. Make sure you're looking at the live page, not the editor. Once the page is fully loaded, move your mouse to the right side of the window over the vertical scroll bar. This is the bar you use to move up and down the page. Right-click on that right side area. Depending on your browser, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for the option called Inspect. In some browsers it may say Inspect Element, but it means the same thing. Go ahead and click on Inspect. When you do this, a new panel will open, usually docked on the right or bottom of your screen. This is your browser's developer tools. Inside this panel, you'll see a section that shows the HTML structure of the page. It may look a little intimidating at first, but think of it as a tree of all the elements on your site. Headers, sections, images, buttons, and so on. As you move your mouse over different lines of code in this panel, you'll notice parts of your website highlight on the main page. This helps you match the HTML you're seeing with the actual element on screen. If you want to view or copy a specific piece of HTML, click the small arrow icons to expand the elements, then select the part you're interested in. You can right-click on that line of code and choose options like Copy, and then copy outer HTML, or a similar choice, depending on your browser. Keep in mind, this HTML is generated by Wix and is not meant to be taken as a full, portable template you can simply upload elsewhere. It's mostly for reference, learning, or grabbing small portions. Also, never edit anything sensitive directly here, because changes in this panel are temporary and only affect what you see locally. And that's it. By right-clicking near the scroll bar and choosing Inspect, you can open Developer Tools and explore the HTML code behind your Wix website.